So Anna, do you think chickens make good pets?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the name of this one?
Harriet.
Yeah. She seems pretty calm, doesn't she?
Yes.
How long's she been sitting here with you?
Quite a while.
Half hour?
Yeah.
You gonna put her back in, let her get some more food to eat here in a minute?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sweetie. You're doing a good job. Is she sick?
I don't know.
She's not sick. She's just happy to hang out with you, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's a good little chicken. She a Jersey giant? Yeah. Gotta be careful. How old is she?
About 6 weeks, 7 weeks.
6 to 7 weeks.
Yeah. You have to keep her away from your eyes, though, don't you?
Yeah.
Yep. You gotta wash your hands after you're done petting her, don't you?